All right, so we're looking at revision B, number 10. A waitress serves 60 meals during a busy Friday night. She sold 12 meals for 100 dirhams, 18 meals for 90 dirhams, 22 meals for 80 dirhams, and 8 kids' meals for 20 dirhams. Compute the weighted mean of the price of meals for the night. Now, because we're going to be looking at this via calculator, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set up our table. Now, your table always has your data and then your frequency. So we need to decide what is data and what is frequency. When you're looking at this, the fact that she sold 12 meals, are we counting the number of meals she sold, or are we looking at the price? And in this case, we're looking at the price. So therefore, we need to look at how much the meals were sold for. So 100 dirhams, she sold 12 of those. 90 dirhams, and she sold 18. 80 dirhams, she sold 22, so it happened 22 times. And finally, 20 dirham kids meals, there were 8. So we have X and we have frequency. Now we're going to do this two ways. The first way is we're going to go ahead and actually compute the weighted mean. And in order to do that, we need to start by multiplying each of these together. So I'm going to turn on the calculator and look at this. This is going to be the X times the frequency. So 12 times 100 is 1,200. 90 times 18 is 1,620. 80 times 22 is 1,760. And 20 times 8 is 160. Then you have to add all of these numbers up. 1,200 plus 1,620 plus 1,760 plus 160, and you get a grand total of 4,740 dirhams that she sold worth of meals in a night. But we need to divide this by the actual number of meals. So we need to divide this by the frequency added together. So let's go ahead and add the frequencies. 12 plus 18 plus 22 plus 8 gives us a 60 meal frequency. So we divide by 60, 4740, and we get that the average price of the meal was 79 dirhams. Now the other way to do it is to go into your calculator and set up your frequency. Now right now we are already on stat, so we can just go ahead and do shift 1 and go into our data. You have X and frequency already there, so we're going to go ahead and delete it up. Alright, so we've got 100, 90, 80, 20, and the frequency is 12, 18, 22, and 8. We hit AC to go back to the main screen, and now we have to do shift 1 and go into variations and find the mean, number 2. So what we find when we do it via the calculator is the mean is 79 dirhams. So either way you want to do it, you'll get the same answer, and that answer choice is D.